For as low as 18,000 pesos per month, you can secure this one-bedroom unit with balcony here in Uptown Modern Residence. Tara, check natin. This is Uptown Modern Residence located at 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. This is a one-bedroom unit with a balcony ranging from 51 to 64 square meters. It comes with semi-furnished, included a fridge, 2-burner cooktop, range hood, and split-type inverter aircon. It also smart home equipped and pet-friendly. Perfect ito for Airbnb, short-term or long-term rental business because walking distance lang siya to Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers, and Mitsukoshi Mall. Malapit din sa international schools and major offices. Walking distance din ito sa future Metro Manila Subway and around 25 minutes lang to the international airport. Kaya mataas talaga ang rental demand sa area na to. Just keep in mind guys, 71% sold out na yung project and open siya for foreign buyers, OFW, and investors looking for flexible payment terms. Don't miss this opportunity habang pre-selling pa lang and below market value. Message me now for more details, showroom viewing, or Zoom meeting appointment. Inquire now.